It's the Joseph Bristol Show.
Welcome to another episode of the Joseph Bristol Show. On today's episode, I want to go over this decentralized app, this cryptocurrency app. Stormx is what it's called. And we are just gonna go over. I actually think Stormx is pretty cool, and it'll make you a couple of dollars. It'll make you basically like, I want to say like 28 cents a week for $200. And if that stays like that for the next 10, 20 years, well, you can do the math and you'll see that you'd make a decent amount of money. So I want to put people on the Stormx, and I think Stormx is a pretty cool app, a pretty cool system program that they've developed here. Just like we went over Hyprr, we're gonna go over this one. All right, so let's get into it. Now, we on the Twitter page of Stormx right now. We're just looking at their Twitter page, and you see they got a lot of followers. They doing their thing. So what is Stormx? You want to know? Stormx is revolutionizing how you earn crypto, right? So Stormx is a way for you to earn cryptocurrency by shopping online, right? So Stormx is a revolutionary app and Chrome extension that allows users to earn crypto in a multitude of ways. Awesome, we know. So whether you are shopping, completing tasks, or staking your existing Stormx, you're gonna make some money. Like I said, you're gonna get paid for having Stormx. But these are the team, the founders, the people that are working on it. You can see it's a decent group of people, a nice little diversified group of people. Ain't no black people, but they got women on the board, not no colored women, but irrelevant. They got some people. They got a pretty nice little group of people here. So with Stormx, right? Let's check out their Twitter. With their Twitter feed, they are dropping a debit card. They got a debit card coming. With the card, though, it won't be the physical card for a little minute. They're working on that. But once you sign up, then what you'll get is you'll get a digital card. It'll be Apple or through Google, but it'll be a digital Stormx debit card. Every time you use the card, you're going to get cryptocurrency. You're going to gain some Stormx token, which you could then turn into money. Like you turn the Stormx into money, and which I'm gonna show you how that works, because I have some Stormx that I actually staked about a week ago. So you're gonna see the progress of how it works, right? So this is them talking about the debit card. They're just saying how now that it's open, so you can pre-register and try to, you're just gonna wait for one, but registration is open. It's their Twitter page. You know what I'm saying? They're talking about 1 billion people staking Stormx. So the tokens are utilization token as well. So as we stake it, that's how the system is able to grind its gears, and keep its functions functioning. It needs some Stormx token in order to move and function itself, right? So that's the debit card. Right, let's go into that real quick. So when you click here, this is the Stormx website now. Now we on the website. When you click on the debit card, that's where you could register and sign in. I already registered, and so this is what the website looks when you sign in. You see I clicked the sign in and it just did it. But like I said, there's no physical card. So right now you can only get it on the digital. You either get the Google or through Apple, or I think there's like another one that they give it to you. But here it is how your physical Stormx webpage would look. Now, if you're staking it, this is how it works. You gotta stake it through MetaMask, right? So you're gonna need your MetaMask, and there's gonna be links in the description below for you to sign up to Voyager, get some free cryptocurrency, sign up to Coinbase, get some free cryptocurrency, and MetaMask, there is nothing to sign up for to get like that. But you're gonna need to put your Stormx token in your MetaMask, and then you got to put a little bit of ETH, because you have to pay to stake your Stormx, right? So like I said, I put $200. I got $216 of Stormx that I'm staking right now, worth of money that I put into this. I actually want to say I put in maybe 200, so I actually made $16 off of my Stormx. So here this is when we click staking, right? When we click staking, this window popped open. You click let's go and you connect your wallet. I use MetaMask. Like I said, you saw my MetaMask, it's connected. And mine is being staked right here. So you can see that I have 3,647 tokens. And with that, I staked them, right? And I staked them about a week ago. So my first payment was the 6.4928, but that's not correct because I actually had like 2,000 Stormx tokens, but then I bought like 1,000 more and added to my position. So when you come down here, you can see how much you're gonna make with your Stormx when you put it in, right? And it'll show you. So every week I'm supposed to make 9 Stormx tokens, right? Which it should equal out to about 50 cents at its current price. 50 cents in total is the money that I'm gonna have. So what they do with this, right? After it's paid me, see how they paid me here? To withdraw. When you click withdraw, this box pops up. They don't actually give you the money, they put it into your Stormx wallet. So you come over here, actually not here, close this out. We open up a new tab, and what you gotta do, remember it's a Chrome extension or it's the app. So you either have the app on your phone or you downloaded it on your Chrome extension, and that's how you're able to get into your Stormx wallet. So I'm gonna show y'all how you get the money out. So you click right here, and you see I got the extension, the Stormx extension. I'm gonna click on my extension. Now I'm in my Stormx wallet. This is how you get through it on the Chrome extension. So now that I'm in my Stormx wallet, what I'm gonna do is, you see the shopping, like I said, as you shop through Stormx, you get paid. This is how you're gonna get paid. Up to 6.3 crypto cash back. This is how you get the money. So what you would do is you would click on one of these tabs before you do your shopping. Like let's say I'm gonna, Bed Bath & Beyond. So I'm gonna click here, right? And now I wanna, I don't know, 8 sleep. I'm gonna click that. Stormx is activating your deal. So this is how you get the crypto. This is how you use Stormx essentially. Once you download the extension. So you get the extension, you click on what you're doing, it says it's activating the deal. It's gonna open up the web browser, and here I'm gonna pay and I'm gonna do this stuff. And when I do that, that's how Stormx knows that I use Stormx, and that's how I would get the money. I don't know what's up with my computer. There we go. Up to 6% cash back activated. See that? Are you looking for a new mattress? Yes. And then you would just go through the motions of buying, and that's how Stormx is gonna make you. That's how you use Stormx. But back to the money, right? So we click this, it comes up. Staking, we already know what that is. I showed y'all that. Click on rewards, and you can see this is the money that they gave me before. Now I can't take it out. You can't take out the money until it's $5. They tell you that right here at the bottom. You need an available balance of at least $5 to withdraw in Stormx. So I have 37 cents. So $5 ain't gonna take that long, because you see I got 37 cents because, like I said, I had 2,000 Stormx, but I added to my position. That's how I ended up with the 3,000. And actually, I've been thinking about investing more money into Stormx and adding more, maybe accumulating about $500 to $1,000 worth of Stormx and leaving that staked so that it can work and multiply. Because, like I said, you can see it's making me money. So all I have to do is just leave it there. Just don't even forget all about it. And if I do go online shopping, I would just use Stormx so I can make more money on my money. And when I'm ready to withdraw it, maybe it's $1,000 when I withdraw. That's when I would withdraw. Or what you could do is you would withdraw the Stormx as Stormx token, and then put it back into the staking so that your money is now, making more. And that's compound interest, which is like a drip account. Whenever I think of cryptocurrency and the way that it pays its interest, how they don't even wait till the end of the year, they hitting you with your money sometimes every day. Every day you get paid your interest daily, so I personally, I like that. Give me my money now. It's a JG Wentworth. It's my money, I need it now. So alright, so that's Stormx. I like Stormx. I wanted to make this video just talking about Stormx, explaining Stormx, and you guys see my position on Stormx, and I encourage everybody, if you do online shopping and you're into crypto, download Stormx. This is gonna get you some crypto. This will increase your wealth. This will help you. And if you're not even into that buying things online, and you got $200, $300, even $100 sitting around that you can afford, well, really you need about 150, because the $50 is to buy the ether, because you have to pay the fee. So you want 50 in ether, 100 in Stormx. You would need to buy Stormx on Voyager. You can't get it on Coinbase. There's other places where you can get it, but I personally buy it on Voyager and I transfer it over. So you can check out my video on Voyager and that app and how it works. All right. So thanks for watching another episode of the Joseph Bristol Show. Let's all remember, man, we all out here trying to do the same thing. Just be happy and survive. Now stay blessed.
Leave a comment below.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Make sure you like and subscribe.